The freelancer grind is broken. You know it. I know it. You spend half your time chasing payments and half your time chasing the next gig. It's a feast or famine cycle, leaving you exhausted and anxious. You feel stuck on a treadmill, putting in the work but not getting anywhere. You're reacting to the market instead of commanding it. You post on job boards, you send cold emails into the void, and you pray for a referral to land in your inbox. This is not a strategy, it's a lottery ticket. In 2026, hoping and praying loses. There is a better way. Let's get real about why the old ways are failing you. Take job boards for instance. You see a listing that looks perfect. You spend an hour tailoring your proposal, highlighting your skills, and hitting submit. You are thrown into a digital pile with 200 other freelancers from around the globe. The client is overwhelmed. They start sorting by the lowest bidder because it is the easiest way to filter the noise. You're no longer competing on value, you're competing on price. It is a race to the bottom. Then there is cold calling. Who even answers a call from an unknown number anymore? We screen our calls, send unknown numbers to voicemail, and rarely listen to the messages. It's a low percentage play that drains time and energy. Referrals are incredible. We all love them, but you cannot build a business on referrals alone. They are unpredictable and uncontrollable. The market today demands two things above all else: specificity and speed. Clients are drowning in generalists. They want specialists with clear solutions. Now, old methods are too slow, too generic, and too inefficient. To succeed, be laser-focused and lightning fast. So, what is the answer? The system is simple, direct, and incredibly effective. It is the combination of LinkedIn and artificial intelligence. This is your new outbound engine. LinkedIn is the world's largest database of professionals, decision makers and business leaders, all in one place. It's a live org chart for nearly every company. You have direct access, no gatekeepers, no slush piles, no guessing games. Add AI, it's your co-pilot, your copywriter, your research assistant, taking guesswork out of communication. LinkedIn's access plus AI's intelligence equals the most efficient 4-step outbound system for solo freelancers. Your LinkedIn profile is not your resume. Read that again. It is your landing page. It is your sales pitch. It is the first impression you make on a potential client. Most freelancers get this wrong. They fill their profile with past jobs, list generic skills, and use corporate jargon. A client doesn't care where you worked in 2018. They care about one thing: what can this person do for me, right now? Your profile must answer that in under 3 seconds. It needs to scream value and solve a problem. Start with your headline, the most important piece of real estate on your profile. Stop using your job title. Nobody is searching for freelance writer or graphic designer. Use an outcome-oriented headline that speaks to your ideal client. Before, freelance social media manager. After, I help e-commerce brands double engagement with short-form video. See the difference? One is about you, the other is about them and the value you deliver. It qualifies you and attracts the right attention. Use AI to nail this. Don't overthink. Open your favorite AI tool and use I am a your role. I help your ideal client achieve the result. Write 5 powerful LinkedIn headlines. The AI will spit out several options. Pick the one that feels authentic and powerful. That change alone increases the quality of inbound connection requests and messages. Next, overhaul your About section. Treat it like a mini sales letter. Start with the client's pain. Show you understand their world. In one clear sentence, state how you solve that pain. Follow with a proof point, a statistic, a short case study, or a recognizable client name if you can. Finally, end with a clear call to action. Send me a message, or connect with me to talk about your project. Keep it short, scannable, and focused entirely on the client's needs. Your profile becomes a client-attracting magnet, built to convert attention into conversations. Step 2. Build a hyper-targeted hit list. Garbage in, garbage out, true for data and for outreach. If you're messaging the wrong people, it doesn't matter how good your message is. You're wasting your time. The power here is precision. Stop spraying and praying. Build a list of people in the right industry, at the right size company, holding the right job title, and showing need now. Start by defining your ideal client profile. Be specific. What industry? B2B SaaS. Direct to consumer fashion. How big? 10 to 50, 50 to 200. Who hires you? Head of marketing, CEO, founder. Write this down. Then look for growth signals. Recent funding, a wave of job postings, especially in marketing or product, or a major product launch. These events create needs you can fill. Use LinkedIn's powerful filters, industry, company size, location, and job title, to narrow thousands to a focused list. Filter for people who posted in the last 30 days, more likely to see and respond. Don't find thousands. Find the right 50. That's your 2-week hit list. Leverage AI. Generate 20 B2B SaaS companies in North America with 200 employees that announced Series A in the last 6 months. List company and head of marketing. Let AI scan news and databases, paste into a simple spreadsheet. This list is your roadmap and ensures each message has high potential. Okay, move on. Section 6, Step 3, craft messages that actually get open. You have a killer profile and a targeted list. Now write a message that cuts through inbox clutter and demands a reply. Biggest mistake, long self-centered messages that start with, "Hi, my name is..." Nobody cares. Your prospect is busy, their inbox is a war zone. Your message must be short, specific, and valuable to them. Signal that you did your homework, you're not a spammer. The formula, 1 specific observation, 1 sentence on what you do, and 1 low-friction question. That's it. The observation proves homework, the sentence gives context, the question makes reply easy. Keep it under 5 sentences. Example, "Hi, name. I saw your company just launched its new AI analytics feature. Looks powerful. I specialize in writing clear onboarding emails that help SaaS users adopt new features faster. Would you be open to seeing a 1-page teardown of your current onboarding sequence?" The opening line is everything. Never say, "I came across your profile and was impressed." It marks you as mass mailer. Instead, reference their recent post, company announcement, new product, or interview. Personalization takes 60 seconds and increases reply rates 10-fold. It shows respect and turns a cold pitch into a peer-to-peer chat. Use AI to create variations so you don't sound like a robot. Here is my outreach template. Write 3 new versions. Make 1 more direct, 1 more friendly, and 1 more curious. Keep all under 50 words. Now you've got a small arsenal you can rotate to test tone, while keeping the structure of observation, value proposition, and question intact. This keeps you efficient without sacrificing personalization. Okay, that's the idea. A repeatable process is the key to escaping feast or famine. Put in specific effort, send a targeted number of messages, and get a predictable number of conversations. Section 7. The reply is just the beginning. Getting a reply is a huge win, but it is not the finish line. It is the starting gun. The moment they respond with, "Yes, I'm interested," or "Tell me more," your objective shifts. Your goal is no longer to pitch, it is to listen and diagnose. Don't reply with a wall of text about services, prices, and availability. That kills momentum. Instead, ask an open-ended question to surface pain. "Before I put that together, could you quickly tell me, what's the biggest challenge you're facing with user onboarding right now?" They'll articulate their problem in their own words. Your follow-up ammunition. Use AI to prepare. "I am a your service provider," talking to a prospect's job title. If they're interested, what 3 follow-up questions uncover need and pain? Move off LinkedIn to a short 20-minute call. Say, "Based on what you've told me, I have a few specific ideas that could help. Are you free for a quick 20-minute chat next week to walk through them?" Section 8. Your simple action plan for the next 30 days. Theory is useless without execution. This system is for action. Here's your simple no excuses plan for the next 4 weeks. Not about perfection, about consistency. Weekly mission, send 20 hyper-targeted messages, 4 a day, 5 days a week. Manageable, 30 to 45 minutes per day. Don't blast 80 on Monday and ghost the rest of the month. The steady rhythm builds a predictable flow of conversations. Track everything in a simple spreadsheet. Name, company, date sent, replied, yes or no, and notes. This data becomes your guide. If replies lag, tweak your opening observation. If profile views rise but messages don't, tweak your call to action. This is a living process. The feedback loop is fast. Task 1. Use the AI prompt to rewrite your LinkedIn headline. Update your About section. Do it today. Task 2. Spend an hour building an initial target list of 50 ideal prospects. Use LinkedIn search and AI-powered research. Task 3. Use AI to generate 3 message variations. Observation, value, question. That's task 3. By the end of today, you'll have a revamped profile, a list to contact, and the messages to send. Starting tomorrow, send your 4 messages. The next day, send 4 more. When you get a reply, use your diagnostic questions to deepen the conversation. Learn from every interaction. In 2026, the freelancers who win aren't the most talented or experienced. They have a system and the discipline to execute daily. This system requires consistency more than perfection. 20 messages a week over 4 weeks produces most freelancers their first response within 10 days. The starter kit in the description has the exact prompts for steps 1 and 3.